Most of you didn't build a business. You built a cage and you called it success. So you're hitting 500,000, maybe even $1 million a year. But you know, if you stop, the money stops. You are the bottleneck in every decision, and that is not freedom. That's what we call a high paid slavery. And I'm tired of seeing good people burn out and good businesses close down. That's why on February 12th and the 13th, here in Allen, Texas, I'm hosting Becoming Unshakable. Specifically on day 2, we are holding the Empire Operating System Workshop. We aren't just sitting around talking, we are fully installing the system that makes your business not only fundable for investors, but scalable without you. Now, we have over 300 people coming to the event, but we can only take 75 for the workshop. Do not stay small because you say you're too busy to get in this room. Click on the link below, claim your seat, and let me show you how we can grow your revenue, grow your business without you working a minute longer or a minute harder. Click the link below, reserve your seats before all seats are taken. I'll see you